NAB 2019 BSWTV. We are live in Las Vegas. How exciting, eh?
Hey.
We have sponsors. Do you mind if I rip a few of these off? Okay, HDV Mixer. That's what we're using right now to get the signal all over the world. And it really works.
Wow.
No glitches, nothing. Yeah. Orban Labs Inc. and Wheatstone Corporation also using their gear today. Consoles, processing, you name it. Wheatstone does it better and badder, as the company says. You guys are a pretty badass company too.
Damn straight.
Yeah. Your company is?
Genelec.
Yeah, and you make stuff like this.
Like this little guy.
We
Yeah.
do.
I should introduce who you are because we have a few people here. Steffenee Copley. What's your title?
Western Territory Manager.
Aha. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Paul Stewart, you are a tech manager guy, right?
Technical sales manager.
Technical sales manager. And off camera we have Darren Rose, who is the R&D brainiac dude. Yeah?
All the way from Johnny.
Yeah, put that on a card. From the UK originally, and now living in Finland, where this whole thing happens. Yeah. Yeah. So, give us a little history of Genelec.
Genelec has been around since 1978. Isn't that right, Darren?
Yeah.
And doing actually the same thing they've been doing since those days, making active studio monitors, meaning that they are completely powered. Crossovers are electronic. Every driver has its own amplifier, and it is built solid,
they're
built to
solid.
last.
Yeah, you could kill someone with those speakers, and I'm sure that's happened before in a studio.
All it takes. One little accident.
Put that on your card. So what is this little cutie here?
So this is the 8010. This is our entry-level monitor into our two-way 8000 series with a 3-inch bass driver.
And they sound great. I mean, they sound huge.
They do.
It's amazing how you guys do that.
96 decibels of SPL.
Well, it's built no differently than any other. You know, it's just the smallest one we make.
So how many in the series now?
Oh.
I know I'm putting you on the spot, but I mean, how many? What do you think?
So in our two-way, like Steffenee mentioned, this is a 8010. We make an 8020, an 8030, 40, 50, and those are I guess that's 5 in our analog two-way 8000 series. Then we also make the 8300. We make the 1200.
This
the
wasn't a
400,
test, by the way. I mean, if you screw this up, who's going to care, really? But yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Well, they're all related. That's why it's hard to say what series because they all work together.
Yeah. So, are you guys showing anything brand spanking new at NAB?
Absolutely.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So in our booth, C4748, we have the new S360 high SPL two-way monitor, and then as well we have our large triple 15-inch subwoofer, 7382.
Yeah. I think the guy in my room next to my room at the hotel was using one of those.
Yeah.
I mean, literally, 2 nights ago I could not sleep because it was like, doof, 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 doof. It was your speaker.
Maybe.
I don't know, maybe it wasn't. Yeah. Let's see, what else can we talk about?
Well, we also have an IP monitor.
Oh. So that's like playing friendly with stuff like Wheatstone.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yep. Currently, that model is the 8430, and it is the same size as our 8030 monitor.
Steffenee, come back. What happened? What did I say?
It's been replaced by Darren Rose.
Sorry.
Stepping in. Again,
Yes.
I interrupted.
No, you didn't.
Damn
You
me.
didn't. That's all right.
Keep going. I'm sorry.
So that product is our current, and it does work nicely with the Wheatstone. It is an AS67 IP speaker. We do have something coming down the road.
Right, yeah. Hopefully Q3, Q4, we're gonna roll out the first of a range of smart IP speakers. So over the same Ethernet connector, you'll get power for the speaker. So no more mains cables. Different mains cables all around the world. None of that anymore. It'll be the same RJ45 connector. We'll have control over that connector as well for networking the loudspeaker and doing the calibration and the kind of stuff you need to do with speakers. And then there'll be audio over the connector as well. So everything over IP.
You guys want to name drop and just name a few studios where we can find your speakers?
Wow.
Come on, go ahead.
That's everywhere. I mean, if you mention in the broadcast world,
Yeah.
if I said, NBC.
Oh yeah, I've heard of them.
ABC.
I've heard of them too. HBO. Yeah. Yeah.
Netflix. You know, everybody hangs with
You
us.
name
Why wouldn't you?
droppers.
Why wouldn't you? Right?
And recording studios?
Fair number. You got one in local to you that you want to mention? Put her on the spot.
No, I mean I've seen your speakers everywhere. You know,
We work with a
You guys are
studio
very
in London
humble.
called Metropolis. We do launches and stuff there. That's one we can name because we've clearly gone public with it.
Yeah, you kick ass. I mean, what can I say? Great speakers for many, many years. Anything else that I can mention before you guys go drink?
Well, the ones, as Steffenee mentioned, that's also part of the line that we call the 8300. I mentioned that earlier, the 83, 31, 41, and 51.
Three sizes, basically the same thing. A coaxial loudspeaker with all the drivers are made in-house. So that's the first range of speakers we've made where all the drivers have actually been designed and made in-house. Often we kind of spec stuff and work with people outside, get it in, but these, you know, nobody makes stuff like that, so we had to make them ourselves. They're really neat. You can sit real close to them.
Think about, you know, those eggs with the Russian eggs?
Yes.
You know, you open it up and there's another one, and that's the way we work.
Yeah.
They all work the same way. It's about the size, how big your room is, how loud do you need to be, how low, how close do you want to sit.
Let me crack this open and see what's in.
Oh yeah. If you could find one smaller than that,
that
I'd like to know. That would be interesting.
That's a selling point. Well, thanks for joining us here.
Thank you for having
at
us.
NAB. I know it's been a long 3 days or more. You've probably been here for
And
a while.
it's got more to go.
If she's whispering in your ear, you must have something else to tell me.
Yeah, we have more three-letter acronyms for you.
Oh,
'cause
good.
Everyone likes those. GLM is what we want to talk about.
GLM?
GLM is the Genelec Loudspeaker Manager. So this is the software that we use for controlling our network loudspeakers, like the 8341, like the coaxial speakers that we were talking about. So that's really, really neat. That allows you to set up a whole load of speakers in a room, group them, calibrate them, turn them up and down, mute, solo, all that fun stuff.
And we do that because we make a microphone too.
Oh God, let's talk about that.
Right.
Please.
We do. We make a microphone specifically for the purpose of calibrating Genelec loudspeakers. So nothing special to look at, a little black thing like this, but you know, it does the job.
British people. I could listen to that dryness all day.
We could say the same exact thing, but his is going to sound more intelligent than mine.
Yeah, I know, man. It's true. Yeah. Cool. You guys are great. Thanks for hanging out, and enjoy the rest of the show, okay?
Thank you so much.
All
Thanks
right,
for
let me
having
get the
us
names
here.
right again. Steffenee Copley, Paul Stewart,
Right here.
and Darren Rose.
Thank you very
Thanks.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Genelec. BSWUSA.com. You can find these speakers, just like the Russian dolls. BSWTV, we'll be back. Thanks.
Well, I crooked-letter, all them times we used to talk about that back road in Atlanta, where my daddy used to walk. Then that sexy southern pistol said, baby, let's have some fun. Then that sidewalk snake called Georgia.